Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Wick automatic air freshener. So here's everything that comes in the box. Now there is a battery. The battery is down here underneath right there where you're going to install the air freshener part. But first let's talk about it. Up here, this is where you're going to put the battery. Lift this up. It's a 1 AA battery. Okay, so you're going to put the negatives over to the left, which is the flat side. The one with the little thing sticking up, that's the positive. It goes like that. Here's our switch for on. We've got low, off, low, medium, and high. And you're simply just going to move that switch to whatever position you want. Okay, but first leave it in the off position. Let's install the air freshener part. Just simply take the cap off. Now these lines are lined up right here. Grab this, twist it, it's going to come off like that. Now there's these little tabs that kind of hold this can, so it might be easier. See how the lines are still pointing forward? That's where the air freshener is going to come out. Line those up with those. See, it kind of holds the can, so push it into the bottom first, all the way. Now you're going to line that up with that little opening right there, wherever the flower is. Okay. Now you may have to turn this a little bit because there are little notches there. Those are going to go into that notch. Now turn it till those lines line up. Just turn the bottom. It's going to click. It's installed properly now. Now we got to put, there is this cap, but let's go over the switch positions. Okay, so the first position is called low. It's going to spray something every 40 minutes. The middle one is 18 minutes and high is every 9 minutes. Now, as soon as you turn it on, it does give you a 15-second delay to let you get out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to turn mine on high. Now again, you've got 15 seconds to get out of the way. It's going to spray right out here. Yeah, the spray goes about that far. Yeah, it smells really good. It's not super loud either. Wow, that really smells good. Now it says up to 70 days of freshness. That's if you've got it on the low setting. It says it is safe for around pets. Now above the flower, it says there is a red light. The red light will indicate that a refill is nearly empty. So we can't see it yet, but eventually there will be a red light right here to let us know that it's time to change this out. That's the hook. You can put like a nail or a screw in the wall, and you can put this on the wall. All right, size-wise, you're looking at about 7 3/4. You know, it sits about 3 inches. Now, they do recommend that it placed above 6 feet above the floor for maximum, you know, getting the fragrance throughout the room. Now, there is no manual button. You just got to wait for it to do its thing on its own timer. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.